Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install one of these Hunter irrigation controllers. I'm going to show you how to install the controller on the wall and to do all the wiring. It's a really simple do-it-yourself project. Let's get started. All right, to save a little time, I've already installed the receiver for the rain sensor, and now we'll install the controller itself. You've got a slot here that will slide onto one screw, and then you'll put two more screws in to hold it onto the wall. And you've just got to make sure you feed all the wires through. Slide this on if you've got the conduit. All right, and then we just need to screw that to the wall. All right, so these are the wires that go to the controllers. The white is the common, and I took a picture before I took my old controller off. Red is for zone 1, yellow zone 2, brown is for zone 3, and then green is for zone 4. So we'll go ahead and connect those.
If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up.
So white, as I say, is common. It will go here under the C. Red, zone 1. Yellow is zone 2. And blue and orange are unused. Okay, then this is the receiver for the rain sensor. Okay, so the yellow wires are what take the voltage to the receiver. It doesn't matter which yellow wire goes under which screw. And then the blue and the white wires go under the SEN screws. And again, it doesn't matter which one goes under which screw. And as you tighten these screws, you want to get them snug, but you don't need to get them overly tight. Okay, then we need to put the cover on, plug it in, and let's hope it powers up. All right, that's how simple it is to install one of these Hunter irrigation controllers. And there's different models of these, but the installation is pretty much identical for the majority of these. You've got your screws for the voltage for a rain sensor, and then your common, and then the wires that go out to each of the solenoids. That's how simple it is. I hope this has been helpful to you. I sure appreciate you watching. Have a great day.